Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve. First, launch the application and select New Project to begin your creative journey. Familiarize yourself with the main pages: Media for importing, Edit for cutting, Color for grading, and Deliver for exporting. Before you start, navigate to the project settings, usually found in the bottom right, to set your desired resolution, like 1920 by 1080 pixels, and frame rate, commonly 24 or 30 frames per second, ensuring a smooth workflow from the outset. Now that your project is set up, let's bring in your media. In the media page, drag your video, audio, and image files into the media pool. Then, switch to the edit page. Drag your clips from the media pool onto the timeline. You can easily cut clips using the blade tool, trim their duration by dragging the edges, and rearrange them to tell your story. Don't forget to add simple transitions, like a cross dissolve, and adjust audio levels to achieve a balanced soundscape for your video. Next, we'll dive into the powerful color page, where your footage truly comes to life. Here, you'll find primary color wheels to adjust the overall brightness and contrast, controlling the lift, gamma, and gain. For more precise adjustments, use secondary corrections to isolate and modify specific colors, like making a sky bluer or skin tones warmer. Always refer to the scopes, such as the waveform and vector scope, to ensure your colors are balanced and within broadcast-safe limits, typically between 0 and 1023 on a 10-bit scale. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Head over to the Deliver page. Here, you can choose from various export presets like YouTube or Vimeo, or customize your settings. Select your desired resolution, such as ultra-high definition, and a suitable format like MP4 with a high-quality codec. Choose a destination folder on your computer, then click Add to render queue and start render. Once complete, review your exported file to confirm everything looks and sounds perfect, ready for its audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.